Hey you guys, good to see you here on Grassroots Gardening. So you guys were asking what came in all those boxes that we unloaded the other night. So I'm out here in the beautiful first greenhouse that we built with the beautiful Miss Pamela. And she's gonna show us a few of the things because I haven't even seen them. So this is gonna be a first for me and you both. So I just unloaded the boxes as you saw, threw them in here in the greenhouse and all but went to bed. So I don't even know what came in. So Miss Pam, what did we get?
We got some poinsettias and...
Yes, you do. Good gracious.
One of the poinsettias, some of the poinsettias that we got in were the Princesettias.
Oh, I love these.
Yes.
These are gorgeous.
And so they came in different colors, this dark pink, hot pink if you want to call it that, and then a soft pink.
That's nice.
And it's hard to get a true white. And so this is the white.
That's white as white can get right there, isn't it?
Yes, those are really nice.
These are beautiful. Oh, and my favorite one probably is the variegated one.
Yeah, this is called Tapestry.
That one almost matches your hair, Miss Pam.
Yes, it does.
These are gorgeous.
Some of the other things that we got are...
I forget the name of those.
Campanula.
Campanula?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm probably not pronouncing it right.
Well, I know I ain't because I'm not familiar with the plant. Let me see the tag real quick. Okay. Yeah, Campanula,
yes.
maybe?
Yes.
White Wonder Me. Now, what is this? Do you know anything about this plant? Because I don't.
So it's it can be in the full sun, or shade.
Okay.
Just a good all-around plant.
But can it live outside, or is it
It can. It's a perennial, zones 3 through 8.
Okay.
And
that's a pretty one.
Yes.
It almost has a poinsettia-like leaf to it, don't it?
It does
Beautiful
come in
bloom.
white or blue, but this time of the year we're going to get it in white, because of Christmas.
Holidays,
yes.
I got you.
Yes. And,
all right, what else we got, Miss Pam?
And so then we got our Christmas cactus in.
Oh yeah, you do have a ton of them.
And beautiful.
All different colors.
Yes.
Now I was reading, and I'm gonna put you on the spot, but you've got a Thanksgiving and a Christmas. Are they same? Are they different?
They're different.
They are different.
And
okay.
and these are actually Thanksgiving cactus.
Okay.
And the way you can tell is because of the little claws right here.
Oh yeah.
To me, that kind of looks like Batman.
It does look like Batman, yeah.
Yes.
Right, so these are Thanksgiving.
They really are Thanksgiving, but
okay.
Everybody refers to them as Christmas cactus.
Okay.
The Christmas cactus is not going to have as jagged of an edge.
More
right
smoother,
there.
like rounded?
Yes.
Okay.
And then there's an Easter cactus that is totally round.
Okay.
The leaf is.
Gotcha.
Yes.
And that's the ones we bring in, obviously, for Easter.
Yes.
Okay. These are nice though, man. They're loaded down with blooms.
They are.
Those are so cool. And these blooms last a good long while too. And so these are house plants. And what would you recommend? Bright indirect light or?
Yes. They're just so easy. They can grow
just about anywhere.
Anywhere in the house, yes. Yeah. And then the next thing we got in are these cute little planters. House plant.
Cool.
Yes.
I like those with the, I guess that's a staghorn.
Yes.
Or some kind of deer on the front.
Some type of deer.
And is that?
Kalanchoe.
Kalanchoe. I always say it wrong. I say Kalanchoe. Kalanchoe. I'm sure that your pronunciation is correct.
And an ivy and a Diffenbachia.
Oh yeah, nice variegated ivy in there. And Diffenbachia. Yes. This is one of my favorite houseplants with its huge leaves. Gives that real tropical vibe. That's an awesome looking combo there.
Easy care, because all of this is, low water.
Low water, yeah.
Yes, so easy care. Nice gift or...
Put it centerpiece, put it on the table.
Yes. And then we have these cute myrtle topiaries that we got in.
Those are cool.
Yes.
I've not seen those before.
The nice hostess gift.
Yeah, that's cute. I like that.
Very nice hostess gift. We can wrap that, in our foil and put a little bow on it.
Yeah, so if any of you guys are looking for, if you're going to a Christmas party or what have you, and you want to bring a nice gift, you can pick out any of these plants, and we've got some nice decorative foil that they can wrap up. I think we've even got some bows inside the store. So come see us. We'll get you fixed up. All right, what else did we get in? Because that was a lot of boxes we brought in the other night. Oh, that's cool looking.
Frosty Ferns.
Neat. Oh, they do look like they're frosted, don't they? And they just grow like that. I wonder if that's variegation or just their growth habit. That's pretty.
Yeah. Now, the trick on these is that they do like a lot of humidity. So what I always try to tell the customer is to, if you have an old saucer, that to put, make a humidity tray with that.
Maybe put some pebbles in it.
Yes.
And then just set the pot right down on top of the pebbles, and the water from that tray will help keep it humid right around the leaves.
Yes.
Because they need it.
Yes. Okay. And other than that,
that's a cool looking little fern.
It's very cool.
That's really festive too, especially if you were to pair it maybe with some poinsettias or something. That looks awesome.
Yes. And have another little planter here.
Oh yeah, another one with a deer on it.
Yes.
I like that.
This is a nice planter here.
I like that red.
Yeah.
All right, moving right along.
We got in the Stromanthes.
Stromanthes, that's the one. Beautiful. I can't ever remember the name of him. Yeah, I love the color pattern. Oh, and look at the underside of the leaf.
Beautiful.
How red it is.
Yes.
That's gorgeous, man. I love that. All right, where you want to head to?
And then we'll go.
You got so much stuff everywhere.
Everywhere.
It's hard to keep my eye focused in one spot for too long because it's just color blasted out all over the whole greenhouse.
So we have a special on the orchids.
Oh, $9?
$9.99.
Man, you can't beat that. And look at the blooms and the color variegation. These are miniature Phaleonopsis, right?
And they're double spiked.
Wow. Oh yeah, so whenever somebody says double spiked, you'll see 2 flower stems coming up from a single plant. Man, and look at these giant white Phaleonopsis. That is absolutely breathtaking. You got so many different colors. Now, I had to show these on a video not too long ago, Pam.
They're so pretty.
They are gorgeous. I don't have one at the house, and I need another plant like I need a hole in my head.
No.
But these are really tempting. Now, there weren't this many blooms last time I showed it, that were actually open. They were just kind of still in there. This is a lipstick plant, for those of you that didn't see the last video. And they call them that because this looks like a little tube of lipstick. But there weren't this many blooms last time, and that is just absolutely beautiful. You got a couple of those. And these make great house plants as well.
And then the Cyclamen.
Cyclamen, yep.
Yes.
Now, I've not taken any of these home. They're beautiful, but they look kind of delicate. Do you ever, have you grown them inside, or what will be your advice? So
there again, the best way to do these in the house is to have a tray, make a humidity tray. A humidity tray, so they like high humidity as well. That and to water them is to water from the bottom. Okay. Yes. So they don't like it. They're kind of like your mums you had out not too long ago. They don't like water on the foliage, and of course not the flowers, the inflorescence. Right. So just water right through here. Get you one of those little water pitchers that's got a spout. Go right in there. That way you can water the soil only and try to keep that moisture off of the leaves and obviously not the flowers. And something that I always like to tell my customers is here's one I missed when I was deadheading, is when this goes away, just go down here, pinch that back. To the base of it. Yes. Okay, so get way down in there. Yes. And remove that. Can we see that in your hand, from my hand? All right, so you want to get rid of all of that flower stem right there. And they bloom continuously. They're a cold weather plant. Yeah. They're not for the heat. They're a cold weather plant. Don't put it near a draft. It's just like the poinsettia. Don't put it near a draft. Okay. I didn't know that about poinsettias. Yeah, they don't like a draft. Okay. All right. And learn something new every day. Yes. And just be sure that you take it down from the bottom, water from the bottom, and make a little humidity tray, and they'll be happy. Now, do you know, will they flower all year long, or are they just going to wait until it gets cool again? Just when it's cool. Okay, gotcha. Yes.
Awesome, beautiful. Look at all the colors. Of course, we got the white and the red, but I like this. It's almost like a purple, ain't it?
Yes.
Or super hot pink or fuchsia.
Fuchsia.
Fuchsia, there we
color.
go. I like that.
Here's the hot pink color.
Oh, yeah. Man, that's got some big old flowers on it, doesn't it?
It does.
And it got some ready to open up not too long. That's pretty. Ooh, now this is my favorite one.
Yes.
I like that.
Yes, that one's pretty.
That looks like it's been hand painted almost.
I know it.
It's so bright. All right, now we're going to head inside the garden center because we've got some really pretty Amarillis that they've taken out of the greenhouse and put in here just for sellability because they are wide open blooming right now. And so inside the store here, y'all, we got some bunch of deliveries in today. We got some new pottery, just a ton of stuff, but I'm gonna try not to get too sidetracked, but I do have to tell y'all about my Norfolk pine here. So this is the one I had at my house years ago. It was a little bitty Charlie Brown Christmas tree, and now the thing has done got upwards of 12 feet tall, I think. I was actually gonna try to fit it in the house this year, but I don't think it will fit. And then, yeah, if you guys remember, here's little Pumpkin. She's growing up. This is our little mice patrol down here, and her sister just ran over yonder somewhere. And so they are taking care of grassroots down here, ain't you, buddy? All right, sorry I get sidetracked, Miss Pam. So here's the beautiful Amarillis that we came in to take a look at. And so Pam, I was telling the folks a while ago that you brought them in, you know, to have them closer to the register for sellability. But what was the other reason you were telling me we brought them inside? It was
too warm in the greenhouse. Okay. And so I just brought them in here because it's a little bit cooler in the store.
So these are another cool weather loving plant. And, yes. And so Amarillis comes from a bulb. Some of the bulbs are huge. You got one in the box
so we also have this easy to grow Amarillis kit.
Okay.
So if you wanted to give this as a gift or one that's already
in bloom,
we've got that.
That'd be fun. That'd be a cool gift idea. That way, whoever you gave it to, they can watch it come up.
Yep.
And watch it put on a show like this. But yes. These are
just absolutely gorgeous.
They are beautiful. There's a lot of different colors of them too, isn't there?
Yes.
Look at this big old red one over here. Golly, that is something else. Now, on Amarillis too, do you have double spikes and single, or does it depend on the bulb size? Is there any?
These are considered double spike.
Double, okay. So larger the bulb,
the
more spikes you could have.
Yes.
Man, those are gorgeous. So guys, if you're looking for any gift ideas for the gardening enthusiast or just an outdoor person, come see us here at Grassroots. We're at 111 Holly Meadows Drive in Graniteville, South Carolina. Come see Pam. She knows her stuff when it comes to the plants, as well as everybody else down here. The staff is friendly. They'll take good care of you. Other than that, the more you know, the more you grow. We'll see you on the next video.